Hello, this is Alexander Cross, criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with, let's see here, aggression with hot water. Domestic violence attorney, Hayward. Criminal attorney, Hayward. Criminal lawyer, Hayward. Accused of domestic violence, Hayward. Let's see. I'm accused of domestic violence. Let's see. While defending myself from my husband, while arguing, I threw hot water on his face. Okay. Were you defending yourself from physical aggression from your husband? Or did he just say a bad word to you and you threw water at his face? Big difference. Because if you legitimately believed that you were in risk of suffering great bodily injury or death, you could even use lethal force. But nevertheless, you can use the minimal force necessary to avoid that you suffer any injury. That would be self-defense. However, if your husband was not hitting you, he was cussing at you, you can't just approach him and throw water on him, hot water on him. You do that, you're going to be charged with violation of at least a 243E1, but if he has any kind of injury whatsoever, we're talking now about a Penal Code Section 273.5 as a felony, which carries up to 4 years in state prison. Obviously, if you were defending yourself from physical aggression, well, then that would be self-defense and you'd be fine. But you have to understand that when it comes to domestic violence or any kind of aggression or any kind of battery against yourself, you can only use the minimal force necessary to stop the person. And let's say the aggression ended. Let's say he stopped attacking you. You can't then go and attack him and throw stuff at him. You can't do it. Once the danger is finished, you're finished. You cannot attack. There's a big difference. There's a fine line between which would be self-defense and revenge. So you have to be very, very careful with that. Obviously, I would need to know a little bit more about exactly in what manner was your husband attacking you. Obviously, if he's dramatically bigger than you and he's attacking you with his fists, then yeah, go ahead, throw hot water on him. But if he's just saying bad words to you, he's not even attacking you physically, well then you would have a problem right there. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court here in the San Francisco Bay Area, give us a call at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing record expungements for somebody who has 3 different convictions. Criminal attorney Hayward, domestic violence attorney Hayward, arrested for domestic violence Hayward.